babies. Tico, come here, Tico. Good morning. Oh, look at you. Okay, let me not bump you where you got your shots at. Look at you, you beautiful boy. Okay, I'm sorry. You guys are so quick for me today. Wow. Good girl, good boy on the paper. No, don't play with the paper. You little peanut. Play with the babies, Belle. Play with the babies, Bella. Oh my God, you guys are so quick. All I can hear is their feet. He's still available. He's still available. Yeah. I can't believe it. I can't believe it, though, because you're such a love bug. Yes, you are. Don't play with the papers. No. Let me put the paper down. Ah! Okay, I'm sorry. I missed you, too, overnight. This is first thing in the morning. Okay. Yeah, you're still available, huh? And this chocolate little guy, he's still available. You just went up and get lovies. Okay, no filming. We just got to do lovey time. Everybody wants lovies right now, so. I tried. Oh, you. Oh, God. Godiva! Godiva! Okay, there's my girl. Yeah. Oh, there's my girl. Yeah, you going home today, huh? Oh, hello, beautiful Joey. He's still available. Little Joey, too. Okay. Okay, Mommy's got to play. Sorry. I really wanted to get you guys bouncing around this morning. But as you can see, it's really hard to keep up with them. So...